Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food. And today we're going to be talking about this Pillsbury cookie cake in the flavor Tutti Fruity. So this is a new flavor that they've launched recently and they say it's a new fruitilicious flavor. They already had two flavors in this range. One was chocolate and another one was vanilla. I have already reviewed chocolate flavor on my website, so you can definitely check out its review. The link for the review would be mentioned in the description box below. So I'm really excited to try this one to see how this tastes. So let's get started with this review. Starting with the video, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I guess this is a bigger packaging. They also have smaller packaging available. Like, I'm not sure, this was the only thing that was available online, so I had to get my hands on this. But I am hoping, because I've seen their smaller packaging in the chocolate version, so I'm hoping that this might also have a smaller packaging. This one has 6 units of cookie cakes inside of this and has about 120 grams of product. It retails for ₹60. Online you can definitely get it from Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, Grofers, etc. And offline it is very easily available on the grocery stores and supermarkets. Comes in this cardboard packaging and I really like the pictures over here. Like, they're very tempting. And the basic concept of cookie cake is that it is not exactly cookie, so it's not as crunchy and as hard as a cookie would be, and it's not as soft as cake. It's something in the middle which makes it the cookie cake. So let's open this and try it. So it looks like this from the inside. They've kind of changed the packaging, I feel, or maybe it's just the packaging for this new flavor. And it comes in this plastic packaging for each unit of the cookie cake, and this is kind of really nice because it helps the cookie cake from getting stale or something. Each has a value of ₹10, and the whole package, as I mentioned, retails for ₹60. Also, this is pure veg, so you do not have to worry about anything. Let's open it and see this. Okay, so guys, it looks something like this. It is very similar to the packaging, like still very different and similar, because you can see so many tutti fruities and white cream going on here, and it looks like this. So yep. Also, this feels very soft. Like, I am very scared to hold it, like it might break from here. So yeah, it feels very soft. Let's try this. So this tastes fine. It's nice. It is extremely sweet. Extremely sweet. So if you are a person who doesn't like sweet things, this is definitely not for you, because this is on the higher side of being sweet. And yeah, it's filled with tutti fruities. It has tutti fruities and it's also filled with strawberry extract. So there's such strong amount of strawberry extract that I was literally feeling like I was having bubblegum boomer in the flavor strawberry, and it has a lot of flavors like that, so it tastes a lot like boomer. And yeah, it has different tutti fruities. It is filled with fruity flavors, and the most of them being the strawberry one, and it has lots of fruity extracts or artificial seasonings. It's really soft. It is almost like eating cookie dough itself, but yeah, it's soft. It's, like I mentioned, it's not the cake, it's not the cookie, it's somewhere in the middle. Inside all of that, kids might really like it, but I would not really recommend you to try this 100%. You can definitely give this a try. This is not a very bad product, I'm not saying like that. Kids are definitely gonna love it. And yep, it's a nice product, but it has too much of sweetness and too much of additive additional flavoring, which is not really which I like or anyone might like. So just on that note, you might want to try something else. On that note, I'm gonna give this product a 2.5 star rating. I'm not saying it's a bad product or something, but just that I did not like it much. You might definitely like it, so you can give this one a try if you want to. Guys, that was it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments down below if you'd want me to review more such products for you. Connect with me on all my social media handles. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.